In this video, we will cover exactly what you need when buying a home. This video is part of our 4-part mortgage loan mini-series that will cover everything you need to know about mortgage loans. The first thing you will need when buying a house is a down payment, which is a large sum of money paid upfront. Typically, mortgage loans require a 10 to 20% down payment. This is because of something called loan-to-value, or LTV for short. In order to reduce their risk, banks want to give loans that are valued less than the appraised value of that asset, which in this case is a home. As the down payment amount increases, meaning a smaller loan amount is required, the LTV ratio decreases, and the risk for the bank decreases as well. You will also need a good credit score. Having a good credit score shows banks that you can reliably and consistently pay down debt. The better your credit score, the lower your interest rate, and therefore the smaller your monthly payment. You will need a FICO score of at least 600, but a score of 680 is recommended, and the best rates are given to those with a score above 750. Quick tip: try not to open up a new credit card before buying a house, as this will usually lower your credit score temporarily. Finally, you should have proof of income for the last 2 years. This includes W-2 statements, tax returns, and paycheck stubs for the previous few months. You will also need a list of all your assets and debt, as well as proof of current mortgage or rent payments. Once you get all this, it's time to find a lender. You can go to multiple banks in your area and ask for approval, or pre-approval if you have not yet made an offer on a home. Getting an approval takes about 30 days and usually involves a hard credit check. This means that if you apply for multiple loans from multiple banks, you should apply within the same 1 to 3 week period, or your credit score might lower significantly. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for future videos. The next video in this mini-series will provide an estimate for how much house you can afford. This video is brought to you by Gateway Bank's Financial Education Initiative.